Today topic is chemical bonding and molecular structure. 15th question. Beryllium plus 2 is isoelectronic with which of the following ions? Direct, very simple question. Beryllium plus 2, atomic number of beryllium is 4, plus 2 means 2 electron left. Right now only 2 electrons are present. So H plus 0 electron, lithium plus atomic number 3, 1 electron left, 2 electron. So B is the answer. So still if you want more explanation here, beryllium plus 2, 1 H plus, lithium plus 1, sodium plus 1, magnesium plus 2, these are given in the question. The red one is atomic numbers. Now number of electrons. See, in the beryllium 4 electrons should be present according to atomic number, but plus 2 means 2 electron left. So right now only 2 electrons are present. Now hydrogen, 1 electron should be present, 1 electron left, so 1 minus 1, right now 0. Lithium, 3 electrons minus 1, that means 2 electrons present. Sodium, 11 electrons should be, but 1 electron left, right now 10. Magnesium, 10. Now the question is, in the beryllium plus 2, whatever electrons are there, equal number of electrons, isoelectronic, that means lithium. The direct question, that is explanation. So lithium, B is the answer. So answer is 15th question, answer is the B. Next, 16th. Which of the following molecule has the maximum dipole moment? For this you have to know the basic concepts of hybridization and geometry. Hybridization and geometry. See the 16th question. Carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia and NF3. See, carbon dioxide's geometry, linear structure. So mu equal to 0. See, this electron pulling towards more electronegative atom side. Here also this oxygen is pulling. So resultant cancellation. So mu equal to 0. Next, in case of methane, all 4 hydrogens are equally pulling. So it is symmetrical molecule. So mu equal to 0. Now NH3 is the pyramidal shape. See, this is the structure. NF3, this is also pyramidal shape. The difference is here this hydrogen to nitrogen side, electron is moving from all three hydrogens, the electron density towards nitrogen side. From the nitrogen the electron is density is towards up, because here one s orbital is there. In this s orbital it is highly electronegative. So the resultant is, this dipole moment is a vector quantity. So it is going up. Now in case of NF3, this electron density is upside, this fluorine, all 3 are down shape is there, just like this triangular shape. Okay, the resultant one is down. The sum of the pulling force is upside. So resultant, some cancellation is there. It is not equal to 0, but still it has dipole moment, but comparatively NH3 less dipole moment. Okay, next, 17th question. Which one of the following species has a plane triangular shape? Again, it is also hybridization and geometry related question. see the 17th. First, you have to know that what a hybridization. Hybridization equal number of sigma bonds plus lone pairs. Number of sigma bonds plus lone pairs. Now, easy trick I will tell you. The 17th. See, N3 minus. You take one is a central atom. The remaining two nitrogen atoms are attached. So, you are taking one nitrogen. That valency electrons 5. Minus is there, that's why 6 electrons. Each nitrogen bonding with 3 electrons. So total only 2 sigma bonds are there. That means sp hybridization. If total number is 2 is there, sp. If total is 3 is there, sp2. I will write here 2 means sp, 3 means sp2, 4 means sp3, 5 means sp3d, like that. Now in case of NO3 minus, nitrogen has 5 electron, due to the minus 6 electron, each oxygen 2 bonds, total 3 sigma bonds, 3 pi bonds. In the hybridization you have to consider only sigma bonds. Total 3 sigma bonds, sp2 hybridization, that means trigonal planar, like this. Orbitals trigonal planar. This is the answer, already over. Now still we will discuss remaining. NO2 minus. You can see the question. NO2 minus, 17th question. Nitrogen total 5 electrons, 1 electron extra, total 6 electron, 2 oxygens, double bond O, then this is the one lone pair. Hybridization is sp2, but due to the lone pair it is the bent structure. Next, CO2 is the well known compound, that is the linear structure. You can see here it is the linear structure. If you want to calculate, the carbon has 4 electron, 1 2 3 4, then 2 sigma bonds. 2 sigma bond means sp hybridization, linear structure. Again you can see the questions, 3 questions.